relative bearing to true heading to get a true bearing. So you added 065 to 191 and you got 256. Now you have to now cater for the chart convergency of 8 degrees. The heading will decrease, this DIID, because in the westerly heading in the northern hemisphere. So decrease means you have to minus it. So from 256, you minus 8, you get 248. The reciprocal of 248 is 068, which is the answer. Anyone, any doubts on this? Ziavi, clear?
Yep, sir.
Okay, all right. Anyone, any doubts on this? Elisha? Elisha, you having mic problem? I can't see any message that you're passing. Okay, all right. Is there? There?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you are there. Good morning. How are you? I didn't hear you. Okay, all right. There, did you understand this problem?
Can you give another one, sir?
Yeah. No, we will do another one.
Okay.
Did you understand the same one, this one that we did?
Yes.
The various steps, we will of course do another one.
Okay, sir.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. No, they are the main thing to understand are the steps that you follow to get whatever it is that we want. Yeah. So in this case, we want to find out what is the bearing that we will plot from the NDB. To do that, let's get the bearing from the aircraft first. To get the aircraft bearing, we have to get the true bearing because plotting is all on true. Here we have a magnetic heading. So we change magnetic heading to true heading by applying variation at the aircraft, which is 6 east. Once you do that, you get your true heading as 191 because you add 6 degrees. Once you have the true heading, you add it to the relative bearing of 065, here 065, and then you'll get a true bearing, which is 256. After you get 256, we must add or subtract chart convergency because that is applicable. We have to do it. Now, in this case, we have to find out whether it's plus or minus. Now, in this case, these are all westerly heading. 256 is a westerly heading. So, on a westerly heading in the northern hemisphere, it starts with D, which is decrease. So, you have to minus the chart convergence of 8 degrees. So, 256 minus 8 is 248. Now, 248 is from the aircraft to the NDB. But we have to find out what is the bearing to be plotted from the NDB to the aircraft. So we have to add 180. And that's how you get 068. Okay, there? All right.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. This is 93928. Okay. Abdul, this is your 93928.
Okay, sir.
Okay. For all of you all, we have done this before, but we were getting 078, whereas the answer, though it is the closest in the answer, I checked up in the explanation, etc., why it is that we're getting the 2 degrees, and of course, I'll just discuss this with you. LC's Lambert chart. You all probably have this noted somewhere if you all have been noting the problems. I suggest you all note these problems so that you all can refer to it whenever you are revising. Okay. So straight line from 155 west to 170 east, and the standard parallels at 50 north and 56. So okay, and 56 north. When passing 175, what will the track be? What will the track read? Okay. Now, what we did last time was, Abdul, we found out what was the change of longitude in this case is 35 degrees, 155 to 170. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Abdul.
Yes, yes, I can hear.
Change of longitude was, we found 35 degrees. Okay. No, sorry, it was just 35 degrees. And so to get the half chart convergence, we said half 35 into sine 53. Yes.
Yours, yes.
Yeah. So half 35 into, and we got how much in this? Yeah, Abdul, how much?
Oh, you find the conversion because the convergence is 28 degree.
Yeah.
So
So this
is 14.
14. Yeah. Okay. So this is 14. Now let's see the other change of longitude. All right. For 30 degrees. That is, we have to find out for 175. Yeah. When we do that, we got what? 12.
Sine. Yes, around 12.
Yes.
Yes, around 12.
Okay. Now the problem is he is talking about this straight line which is going from 155 west to 170 west, 70 east. Okay, it's traveling all the way from 155 to 170.
Okay.
155 and is going to 170. Okay, so 175 is in the way somewhere over here, 5 degrees short. Right. So what is the starting heading over here? This is on the same latitude.
So it's 270.
Yeah? Wait,
270 is around 9. So 270.
Wait. Yeah, 170. This is I've done it. Okay. All right. No, I've drawn the line in the opposite direction. Okay, it should be in the other way around. Okay, 155 because it's 155 west. 155 west is here. Yeah. And
Either way.
yeah, and this is because in the other on the other side. So 170 east. Oops, was a big problem. All right. Okay, so we are traveling from 155 west to 170 east. All right. Now 175 comes on the way. Okay, take this as west. Yeah, so 175 comes on the way. What is our starting heading at 155? Abdul, it will be 270. Is it plus or minus 14?
Plus.
Plus 14. So our starting heading is 284.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. It starts at 284 and then carries on. What? Reducing?
Yeah. Correct.
Okay. It carries on reducing. Okay. So what is it between 155 and 175? It is 12 degrees.
Okay.
Correct. So what you do in this case is that from 284, you minus, from 284, this 14 is from, yeah, 14, 284 minus this convergency. How much is the convergency? Up to 175, it is 24. Yes?
Yes.
So this will be minus okay, now you understood how 260s come. You see, because we are starting from 155 west, but we are not terminating at 175 east. We are passing through 175 and we are saying while passing there, what will the track be?
Okay.
Okay, so we will start obviously at 155, which is 24. No, what is this? 28.
Okay.
Okay, so you start at 28, that is 14 degrees, that is 270 plus 14 is 284. And then when you are passing 175, you would have your convergency or conversion angle is, or convergency is 24 up to 175. So from 284, you minus 24. You will get 260. But if you carry on to 170, then it will be minus 28. Because it's the whole length from 155 to 170. In this case, it is only 155 to 175. And that's why we take this chart convergence, which is 24, and minus it from the original heading to get 260. That's how the answer is coming to 260. Abdul.
Okay, sir.
The thing is that if they are talking about a heading that you are longitude that you are passing, then your starting heading should be the original, not the truncated one. It's not the heading up to 175. We are talking about the initial heading up to 170. And so this is 284 minus 24. Did everyone else understand this? If you didn't, please ask. I'll re-explain the whole thing. Come on. Please don't hesitate. Don't shy. Oh. Ziavi, understood?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the
Go
other
ahead.
way around. The other way around that one way that you explained earlier in our
Yeah.
last class, that we
Ah.
need to okay. First, at first I think
That was the
after
easterly
that-
heading.
Yeah. I mean, we find how many heading, how many longitude change for every change of heading. I think
Yes.
there's also
We can do that, Abdul, but I notice it does not come very accurate. Or maybe that is more accurate than what the answer is given in the book. But we are not getting the exact answer that's given in the AWACS. But that is, I told you that because it is one of the ways of doing it, and you will not be very far off.
okay. Sir.
Yeah, and
Yes,
hope
sir.
like hell that the answers are not too close.
Okay.
Okay, that is one of the recognized ways of calculating the heading when you're passing that longitude. We will be doing some more of these later, and at that time again I will be pointing out this method to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, but at any time, should in any of these questions you notice that what I'm saying will meet up with trouble, then note down that number and let me know, Abdul, or whoever, any of y'all, if whatever methods I'm suggesting to you, okay, following that method, you notice that one of the problems that you're solving and you're running into difficulty. It is too close to the answer that is given. Please note down that question and we will discuss it. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Nobody should have any doubt in his mind. Then you're wavering. Oh heck, is this right? Should I do this? Or how the hell will I solve that? That shouldn't occur in your mind. Yeah, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Live, these guys don't many answer. I wonder on the mic, where the hell will they answer? Yeah? Okay. All right. Shall we go to the next one? All right. Five, four, five. Okay. This is a scale problem. Okay. A Lambert scale problem. I don't think we have done any till now. Okay. Ayman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do this, Simon. A Lambert conformal conic projection. The scale is 1:1,
1
2, 3, 4, 1,000. Okay. That is 1.2 million.
Okay.
Standard parallels are 36 north and 60 north. And
Yeah.
the A to B, the distance on the map between position A and position B along the run line is how much?
Okay.
We have to find out the distance actual. Okay. Use the scale and use the formula. Scale is equal to chart length by earth distance. Okay. I'm going to try it. I want the answer from you, but everyone to do it, please. And whoever gets the answer first, please let me know.
It is 54.19, sir.
54.19. Yeah.
Same.
Okay. Yes.
54.18, sir.
Yes. Yeah, I'm getting 54.19 and 54.19 is correct. Okay, 54.19. 18 also is okay. Who was that? Who were the two people who called? Azik and Abdul. Who was it?
Izam, sir, Izam.
Ezam. Oh, good. And who else? Ezam and who else?
Hadi, sir, Hadi.
Who?
Equal, sir. Equal.
Ikwan.
Ikwan. Oh, okay. All right, good. Okay, Ayman,
Okay, sir. Got it.
you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So first, for those of you who are still doing it, it is the change of longitude is 10 degrees. So use the departure formula, get the distance. So 10 into 60 into cos 53, you get 361.089 nautical miles. Say 361.
And then we have to convert it, right, sir?
Yes.
To okay. Yeah.
Okay, convert it to
TM.
centimeters.
Yeah. And then divide.
Yeah. Then divide one by the other. You get 668.73685 divided by 1234000, and you will get 54.19. Anyone any doubts? Yes, Ziavi? Ziavi, okay?
All right, sir.
Okay. And Nina?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Elisha, anytime there is a doubt, you either SMS me or what do you call, let me know on my phone or on the, because I don't seem to be able to read any text that's being typed, because when I go on this share mode, I'm not getting anything that you type. But try sending a message, Elisha. If I get it, then I will respond to you. Okay? Or you send it to me on my WhatsApp or the phone. Okay. We'll go to the next one. Any doubts, anyone? Okay, that was okay. Enough explanation. All right. Let's do the next one, where you will need to get the longitude and the latitude. Okay. LC is a Lambert chart. Lambert chart on which chart convergency? Oh, here. Okay. Earth convergency is equal to chart convergency at latitude 42 degrees. SL is a straight line. Okay. So two things you have to find out. So using a Lambert chart on which the Earth convergency is equal to the chart convergency at 42 degrees, which means the chart is built around 42 degrees, parallel of origin. Okay. A straight line is drawn from this position, 48, the hemisphere is not given, north or south, and 155 east to position B, and this is the latitude 36 degrees, and nothing else is given. The longitude is not given, neither is the hemisphere given. So the true course of the straight line track at position A is 060 and at position B is 046. Which hemisphere is this track and what is the longitude of B? Okay, who will do this? There, will you take this on? Can you do it? There, can you hear me?
I don't think so.
No, you don't. You don't think means
No,
you don't
I
think
don't
you
think
can
I
do
can
it?
do it.
Acha. Okay, why can't you do it?
I'm not sure
No,
how
no,
to
no,
do
no,
it.
no, no. See, there, in
Yes,
this
sir.
case, the parallel of origin is 42 degrees.
Hmm.
Okay, you
Yes,
know
sir.
the parallel of origin. All right.
Yes,
You
sir.
know what else? What else can you you think you can make out from here? You have two tracks,
Hmm.
060 and 046.
Yes, sir.
So with these two tracks, what can you make out? What can you get?
Is decreasing.
It is
So
decreasing, okay? So when does it decrease? And this is what, an easterly heading or a northerly heading? Sorry, is it a easterly heading or a westerly heading? 060,
easterly.
easterly heading. So it is reducing from 060 to 046. In which
Yes.
hemisphere does this happen?
Southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere. So you resolved the first question. Which hemisphere is this? Is the
Yes.
southern hemisphere?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, what are the information can you get from these two tracks, 060 and 046?
Mm,
Come on, you've done so many problems now. What are the information do you get? What is the difference in between these two tracks? What is it? What will you get? The difference
Check.
between two tracks?
check convergence.
Ah, very good. Okay. So what is the convergency in this? How much?
14. 14
No,
divided by 2.
No. No. You're talking about conversion angle. The convergency is how much? 14? Convergency is 14, no?
Yes.
There. 60 minus 46 is
14.
14. So that is convergency.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now you can make this 48 south. A is at 48 south
Mm,
and B is at 36 south.
mm.
All right. Now the second thing that you have to find out is the change of longitude.
Yes.
You have the convergence.
Yes.
Okay. And what else do you have? What is the mean? What is the parallel of origin?
42.
42. So knowing the what is it called? The parallel of origin and the convergency, you can calculate the change of longitude using the formula, same formula. Convergency is equal to change of longitude into sine parallel of origin.
Yes.
Yes, do it. You said
Um,
convergency is 14. 14 is equal to, or 14 divided by
sine 42.
sine 42. How much do you get?
20.9.
So we'll take it as 21.
Yes.
Okay. So 21 is the change of longitude. Yes.
Yes.
So we have to apply it to 155. And this is, we are heading east or we are heading west?
East.
East. Okay. What do you do to 155? What do you do with 21? Will you add or you minus?
Add.
Add.
Yes.
Why will you add?
Because it's on the other side of the earth.
Yeah, good. So easterly longitudes are to our left and western longitudes to our right.
Yes.
So it is traveling from west to east, that is going left to right. So
Yes.
you have to, it will increase up to 180 and thereafter it will decrease from 180, correct?
Yes.
So 155 plus, what is the change of longitude? 21. So how much does it come to?
176.
176 what? East or west?
East.
East, there you are. Why did you say you won't be able to do it?
I think I'm still sleeping, sir.
Oh my, very 10 o'clock, yeah. Huh? You're bad, they are terrible. Oh, okay, all right. Anyone, any doubts on this? Anyone, any doubts? Did everyone get this? I have
Yes,
to keep
got
asking
it.
everyone. Elisha, you can't hear me, so how do we, can we convey yes or no? Sorry. Yeah, Elisha? Okay.
She said she can hear you, sir.
Oh, okay. And you can hear her? You can hear her there?
No.
Oh,
She.
message.
Yes.
Send a message. Okay. We'll go to the next one. So 804-208. Okay. There you wanted, I think it was you who wanted a what is it called? A plotting problem. So you have a plotting problem now. All right. So an NDB is located at this location, 55 degrees 26 north, 005 42 west. The variation at the NDB is 9 west. The position of the aircraft is at 56 degrees north and 10 degrees west. The variation at the aircraft is 11 degrees west. The initial true track of the great circle from the aircraft position to the NDB position is 101.5 degrees. What is the magnetic bearing of the NDB from the aircraft? Okay, so let's see who like Hakim, can you hear me? Hakimi, he's not getting me. Okay, Jolene. Yeah, Jolene. Come on. I was getting you okay in the morning. Okay, Hazik, you getting me?
Yes, sir. I'm not sure how to do this.
Doesn't matter, try it. Okay. All that you have to do is to what? Get the bearing of the NDB from the aircraft. Now in this case, is given the position of the aircraft, it is the initial true track Now, in this case, you have to convert your true track into magnetic. Otherwise, it normally used to be the other way around. All right. So remember, you have to get the convergency. Okay. And then, if required, you have to add the variation, if required. And remember, what is the magnetic bearing of the NDB from the aircraft? Whoever gets it, let me know. It is very, very simple.
112.5.
Yes, who's that? Who was that? Azik? Was it you?
No, sir.
So who's it who gave me the answer?
Ashraf, sir.
Okay, Ashraf. 112.5 is correct. Very simple. What did you do, Ashraf? It's a very simple thing. What did you do, Ashraf?
I just need the variation at the aircraft at 11
How much
West.
was that? How much was the variation of the aircraft?
11
11
West.
degrees, 11 west.
West.
So what do you do with that?
I took the
Variation
Yeah.
west, magnetic west. So
yep.
you added it
I added it. Yep. So
to
101.5
101.5.
plus
That's
11.
all. That's all you did. Yes. Yeah, Ashraf, is that all that you did?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's all I did.
And that is all that is required. You see, that's why it's disturbing. You guys, it's a simple thing. You just have to convert that magnetic, the true, into a magnetic. That's all that is required to be done. The true track is 101.5. You have to apply variation. It becomes magnetic. That is all that is required. What all are y'all doing? Yeah. I'm not getting any answer. Okay, guys, nothing else is required to be done. This Ashraf, I'm not happy with this progress because I can't make out here who's understanding, not understanding. I can't see the look on their faces.
Understood,
At
sir.
least, who's that?
Ayman, sir.
Ayman. Why is it taking on so long? Obviously, you didn't understand. Otherwise, this is such a simple problem. Yeah. Okay. What will Ashraf, if I give the problem number from the AVAX, y'all will be able to do it?
Yes, sir. We can do that.
Okay. Then do one thing. I'm giving you 3 problems. They all are, the problem is the same, but the requirement for all of them is different. All right. So please write down these problem numbers. And just for information, you guys, instead of typing out the question on the, on the computer, I can easily tell you all the problem numbers, and you should be able to find it in your, online, and work out the problem and give me the answer. All right. I regret to say that I am typing it out on the computer, mainly because I am not sure whether you guys, like they are mentioned, are you guys half asleep or what, even if 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm not very sure whether you guys will extract that question from the AWACS, leave alone doing it. And then I can't see you, and there is no voice communication between you and I. So I'm not very sure whether you'll be serious about doing it. And that is my biggest really worry. I don't seem to be in control of the situation. And that is the drawback with this online class. Okay, are you guys understanding? I'm sometimes, I don't know, because as it is in class, you are not very prompt in responding, that is, and here it is worse. All right, now what I want you all to do is do these 3 problems. Please extract it from your AWACS. You will find that all these 3 questions are the same question, but the requirements are different. There are 2 reasons why I'm giving you these 3 questions. One is to indicate to you that in the exam, you will get questions like this. Questions which will have all sorts of unnecessary things in it. You will need to extract what is useful to you to obtain the answer. Because in all these 3 questions, the question is the same. In some, you'll require you'll need to work out the scale. In some, you'll need to work out the heading. In some, you'll have to find out the latitude. Okay, the question is the same, which means there is a lot of unnecessary information in the question related to the answer that is required of you. So this will at least give you an indication what you must look out for. Extract only those from the question which are required to work out the answer. Okay. And the other thing is, in my next class, once we do these 3, we'll quickly go over them. They are very easy questions, so we won't spend very much time on it. And I will go on to polar stereographic. Okay. In the online question lessons, I have done Mercator and I have done Lambert. And myself, I'm not very confident that all of you are okay with these 2 lessons. The reasons are that I haven't seen the work that you all have done. Normally, if I see what is the work that you all have done when you present it to me, I get some idea as to whether you all have understood it or not. Because even if you are copying it right from the book, and there are some variations which you should have worked out and you don't work them out, I know you haven't understood. At least I'll be able to explain that in the class. In this case, I don't know. Okay, but one more thing I want to reiterate with you. I don't know whether we will open on the 28th. I hope we do. Even if we do, if we don't, it won't be extended by more than a week by my estimate. Okay. In spite of that, there will be enough time for me to revise whatever I'm doing now, but just about revise, but not go into details of all the chapters that we have done. So at least some basic work has to go in. If you do that much, I'm confident I'll be able to answer your questions or clear your doubts in time for the exam. Because I hope it's not too soon after, even if it is a fortnight, 15 days gap between opening of the academy and you all are going in, should be okay. Because by the end of this lockdown, I hope to be able to finish time, and I hope to be able to finish grid navigation, the 2 things that are still left. Okay, Suren, understood? Oh shit. Suren? Izam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye Izam. I hope you understood what I said. If there are any questions, just text me or mail me, okay? Any of y'all. Ayman?
Yes, sir, for sure.
Okay, bye Ayman.
Bye,
And
thank you, sir.
yeah, and I hope you'll be able to, you're catching up with whatever's going on. Rajesh?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye Rajesh. Gilbert? Bye Gilbert. Hazik?
Yes, sir.
Bye Hazik. Naina?
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
is there any
Yeah,
is
Neena.
there
Yeah,
is
Hazik.
there an estimate on when exam is going to be?
Not yet. But by the 28th, by this end of this lockdown, hopefully we have some indication. The problem, Hazik, is that even CAM isn't very sure when this thing is going to get over. You see, after the government is the one that is deciding it on various inputs that they're getting. Okay? Medical, economic, and etc. etc. So CAM itself is not very sure when the government is going to decide to lift. So it's only when they are very sure that the government is going to lift it, will they be able to decide on a date. Yes, but hopefully we'll have enough time from the time of opening till the exam. I'm quite confident we'll have some little time to be able to revise. Okay.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Nina. Bye, Nina.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Ziavi.
Goodbye, sir.
Okay, Dea.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dea. Alicia, if you don't hear me, bye-bye. Please do these three, and then should you have any difficulty, mail me or text me and we'll resolve it for you. Gwilyn, I think, is not attending today. Lynn, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye, Lynn. Bye. Bye, Ashraf.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, bye, Ikwan.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, bye, Hakim.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, Joling.
Bye, sir.
Okay, Afzai. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, and Shakil, if you're hearing me. Bye. Okay, Abdul. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. See you,
Yeah?
sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye-bye.